Announced today, Team Germany for the World Team Championship WTTTC Chengdu. No Bol, Ovcharov, Patrick Franziska? Ovcharov? Filas? One of only a couple of teams with players capable of sometimes beating the top Chinese, and then Germany doesn't select its best players. German trainer Roskopf said the new generation should take responsibility at a young age, because it is important for their development as a table tennis player. I think he is right. Bol, Ovcharov and Franziska will continue playing in championships, but not this one. They're gonna seriously miss the experience of Bol and Dima, but Deng Xiu will need to carry this team. He's been playing at an exceptionally high level and is clearly the best player in Germany, and arguably Europe, right now. I support what Germany is trying to do by allowing their young players to take the lead for the country, but this team is not making the final this year as they have been doing a lot recently in team events and will be lucky if they even make it to the semis. So I think it is harder for Team Germany to advance to the semifinal or the final. This year, Team Germany is not the best team. Here is the Team China.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.